Yeah, this motherfucker. You said what year is it?
16.
16? Oh.
Got a bunch of like carbon fiber stuff over there.
Oh yeah.
Fans on it, man. I made this thing because I was getting my sub amp was heating up.
How many watts you pushing all together?
750.
750.
And I got 400 on all the highs. I changed out all the speakers inside.
You did this yourself?
Yeah, I made that. I don't even know. It's all the electrical stuff. I don't know nothing about it.
This the SS.
I'm a carpenter, bro. So.
Right. You put him on the track?
Yeah, I ran a 12.35.
Damn.
In the quarter. All stock too.
All stock?
I ain't did nothing. I don't want to. Only thing I did was I put a K&N in it. But that was
it?
That wasn't even when I went to the track though.
That's some cold.
My dude paint that, but yeah. I want to though. I'm gonna go heads, cam.
What is all
that?
What you got on the exhaust right now? Nothing. That's all stock.
All stock. It's got the MPP where it like goes to stealth mode or whatever. Just quiet. That's your Mustang?
Yeah, it's just the Eco.
I like that though. Are they 22s?
No, them just 20s.
Really? They look big.
Yeah.
Right, because of the white leather.
You know, it's a Mustang too, so once the wheel well on them only so big.
Yeah.
So you can fill these up pretty good.
I just don't want to get, if I go bigger, then I'm going to have to get smaller tires.
Yeah. Nah, these is perfect. This is perfect.
Yeah.
Especially the way you running it with the offset.
And I'm going to get some, the carbon fiber all around it, carbon fiber hood and trunk.
Took a couple whales, but I'm still winning. Gotta pray every day, a nigga still sinning. God forgive me, lately I've been on a big mission. In my own lane, I ain't worried about no competition. Chop got 100 rounds for the opposition. Get down and lay down, that's your proposition. Niggas scared to take a chance while I'm out risk.
The next day.
Through history car show.
Oh my God, it's beautiful.
Yep. The turbo's down over here.
Sharing it with us.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. Definitely. And come back, I want to get that Challenger that just pulled up with the Hemi. Okay, here we go. Grand National.
No.
Now, look at it.
They're still busy in the white bus.
Let's back up
Small block engine.
On your way in, then you can take a look at that.
It's a V6.
It's a V6 turbocharged, yeah. Just
3.8 liter.
And they can print those
man.
3.8 liter turbo.
Yep.
license plates.
This has up in the
yeah.
Locks, t-shirts, all kinds of great things. Now, a little bit earlier this morning,
Look at this.
I mentioned
all original. Original interior. Got the tack, stick in the floor. Hey. Oh my God. Here we go. Pop's car is killing them.
Get yourself some lunch. The grills are located by the picnic tables in front of the
2014.
50/50 tickets are still being sold. They're one ticket for $1, 8 for $5, or 20 tickets for the car owners for all of these beautiful.
That's nice. Look at the coyote.
And thank you for bringing them out on this Saturday afternoon. We hope you're enjoying yourselves here at
That's funny, yeah.
Coming up in about an hour at 1 o'clock, we will be having a planetarium show inside the McKinley Presidential Library and Museum. It is included with your admission price, car owners, and your good bag.
This is nice. This is real nice. It's a nice speaker in the back. Still got a lot of trunk space. Yeah, it's clean. Original interior.
I like my women built like they can.
Okay.
Yeah, he funny as fuck. Oh, yeah, beat the socks, y'all. Oh, the sock fell out on the little ashy little bit of shit.
What What this nigga got going on over here, bro? This dude on the phone with Angela.
Hey, Chico, chill out, Chico. Felipe, come on, Felipe.